Hello, my name is Simon Sao. This is my reflective video for Introduction to Programming. I'll be demonstrating my understanding of fundamental programming concepts this year, including variable, input and output selection, loops, and functions. Variables are used in C to store information that our program can be used or changed as it runs. For example, we might use an integer to store a score, a float for decimal number, or a char array for names. Variables are building blocks of any program because they allow us to keep track of them. Standard input and output and how our program interact with the user. We use scanf to read input for the user and printf to display message. For example, here I prompt the user to enter their store and then display what they enter. Selection allow our program to make decision if using if and else we can write code that behave differently depending on the data. In this example, if the score is 50 or more, the program print pass or otherwise it print fail. Loops are used to repeat a block of code multiple times. Here I use for loop to print number 0 to 4. Loop help us efficiently process data without having to write repetitive code. Function help us organize and reuse code. We can group instruction into a function and call it whenever we need it. For example, this add function takes two number and return it their sum. Now I'll demonstrate a simple program that use all of these concepts together: variables, input, output, selection, loops, and function. This is a simple scoring program. This C program first asks the user to input 5 score. It displays all the score. User use a function to check if each score is pass or fail and calculate the total score using another function. This example brings together everything we have discussed. In summary, variables, input output, selection, loops, and function are fundamental programming concepts. Understanding them allows us to solve many types of program efficiently. Thank you. That's all from me.